Attention Canadian IT professionals, there's a critical cybersecurity deadline that could leave your organization exposed. On October 30th, 2023, the Government of Canada banned the use of Kaspersky applications on government-issued mobile devices. But the implications go far beyond just the public sector. While not legally mandated for private organizations, continuing to use Kaspersky software puts your data at risk and could damage your reputation with clients and partners. The Canadian Centre for Cybersecurity advises all organizations to carefully consider the risks of using Kaspersky products. But don't worry, there's a secure, Canadian-approved solution. Introducing Xcitium, the ultimate Kaspersky replacement that offers seamless transition without disrupting your workflow, advanced protection against zero-day threats, compatibility with Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, rapid deployment within 2 business days. And here's the best part. Xcitium isn't just another antivirus solution. It's a complete security package including ZeroDwell containment, next-gen antivirus, endpoint detection and response, host intrusion prevention, and a robust firewall. Don't let your organization become vulnerable. Act now before your reputation is at stake. Contact Optrix Engineering today for a free demo and learn how Xcitium can protect your network from evolving threats. Remember, the Canadian government has already taken action. Stay ahead of the curve and protect your organization with Xcitium and Optrix today. Click the link in the description to book your free demo of Xcitium. Don't wait. Your organization's security and reputation depend on it.